Okay, one thing I want to talk about because we talk off camera and stuff. Now it's like a familiar scenario. Like you said in your courtroom. Let's talk about failure to appear.
Failure to appear.
Yeah, let's just say hypothetically, I get a notice from a officer to say I need to be in court a certain day, and I just don't show up. Just something happened. Not I'm afraid I'm gonna go to jail, or just something happens. Life happens.
You should show up.
You should show
up. But I'll tell you this. Listen, life happens. The whole judiciary looked at the most recent pandemic as the courts were closed.
Okay.
For a great deal of time. They're open. So for everybody that doesn't know that they're open, they're open.
They're open.
They're open. They've been open for a while.
Okay.
So what failure to appear means, theoretically, you've been given notice of court.
Okay.
You should come on the day that you've been given notice.
Okay.
When you don't come, your case cannot be resolved.
Okay.
Your case, we don't have opportunity to determine guilt or innocence. We don't have opportunity to get a lawyer to talk to you about your case. This is just very important. But what we've done is, I know in the Birmingham division, they've gone to trying to reach people through email, trying to reach people on the cell phone. What we've done in the Bessemer division of Jefferson County, we want folks to know when they leave the jail, they have a piece of paper with that court date on.
Okay.
And they actually have signed it, saying that they know that that's the court date. From there, it's scanned in so that I can see it on the day of court. Hey, Thomas Thrash, you signed it saying that you knew this was your day for court. Why didn't you come? But here's the good part about the failure to appear. Don't be afraid to come.
Okay.
Because if you'll come on any day that I'm out there, Monday through Friday, and let me know that, hey, I missed my court date, I want to get another court date. If a lawyer needs to be appointed, we'll appoint a lawyer, whether it be traffic or any other reason. We want to give you the opportunity to have your day in court without having you in jail.
Okay.
So I'll recall a warrant. I routinely call warrants daily if the people will come in.
Okay.
So missing a court date doesn't mean that you have to get arrested, but missing a court date should suggest to you, I need to get up to that courthouse as soon as possible to get this warrant recalled. The second thing I would tell you is this right here. People a lot of times they say, well, that's not my address changed. Folks, you really need to let the clerks at the courthouse know that your address is changed. You need to come into court, because I'm a judge and I'm gonna tell you, I don't know when your address is changed. So I'm not aware of it. Whatever I'm entering in the computer is the last address that maybe the jail had or what the officer had on the ticket from your license. And so that's what we go by. It has to be very important to you to make sure that the information that you're giving people is correct and current. So another thing with coming in for failure to appear, I say, hey, I'll ask a lot of times, did your address change? Or my address changed? And we'll direct them to the clerk's office to take care of that problem. So failure to appear is not a finality. You don't have to be in jail. Come by the courthouse, take care of the business that you need to take care of. Get the lawyer if you need a lawyer. Get a new court date if you need a new court date, and we'll go from there.
Okay.
Do you know what's happening in Birmingham? Find out now with the all-new What's Happening Birmingham app. Download today on Android, iPhone, and iPad for free. Get info on everything you need to know about local news, events, businesses, restaurants, and more. Visit our website, what'shappeningbirmingham.com, follow us on Twitter at HappeningBham, or call us at 205-538-4508. Download the What's Happening Birmingham app today. What's Happening Birmingham, your source for everything Birmingham.